Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can export report data from QuickBooks to Microsoft Excel. You must have Excel for this feature to work and either QuickBooks Desktop Pro or Premier. Since the data is exported to Excel, changes you make to it in Excel will not impact the data in QuickBooks, so feel free to change it as needed in Excel. To do this, open the report you want to export. Then click the Excel button in the toolbar at the top of the report and select either the Create New Worksheet or Update Existing Worksheet commands as needed. When you export a report to Excel in the dialog box that then appears, you can either save it as a new sheet in a workbook or create a new workbook. Alternatively, you can also select the option to update an existing worksheet in Excel. You can also save it as a CSV file, which would be opened using Excel. You can also indicate whether or not you want to preserve the QuickBooks formatting by clicking the Advanced button. You can then turn on or off several Excel options, including AutoFit, which sets column widths in Excel wide enough to display all of the data, Freeze Panes, which allows you to scroll through information while keeping row and column headers in view, and Show Grid Lines, which shows the grid lines in Excel. After setting any advanced options, click the OK button to return to the Send Report to Excel dialog box. When you are ready, click the Export button to export your report data to Excel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.